My name is Gaston Kroneman. I'm the owner of KIT Fitness, which KIT stands for Kinetic Interval Training. And the business that we have here is a all-in-one workout facility that essentially is able to house everyone's needs for weight training all in one place. So the motivation behind launching this business is, I think that really and truly people are kind of neglecting the weight training aspect of fitness and all of the science that is behind it, that has proven that longevity is associated with those sorts of things, as well as staving off any kind of medical issues. So I really wanted to put an emphasis and a focus on that. And bringing it into a group setting is something that's somewhat difficult. So we wanted to make it something that was concise in one package for people to be able to make it approachable and less intimidating. So my hospitality background is quite extensive. I did 15 years of frontward-facing either bartending or VIP service. Most of the individuals here that actually train have also had some form of service or hospitality background. And obviously being front-facing with the clients and everything allows you to have a certain bedside manner that you've been able to hone in hospitality. And then when you apply that with the knowledge of actually training, you're able to get not just a lot of information and knowledge that's imparted on the customer and the individual, but you also have a place where people enjoy coming to. It's a little bit of a therapy session sometimes, because who doesn't know their bartender well? It's always a good time. You want to enjoy yourself, you want to have fun. Working out can be therapeutic for both the dopamine and serotonin release and all the things that make you feel good, but also if you have a safe place to come and talk to your trainer and become friends with them, it also makes it a very welcoming environment for them to come to. Also, one of the things that we like to do is we have, as you've seen, local artists that are featured. The murals that are painted in the bathrooms were done by a local bartender friend of mine who's an artist, Kevin. We also feature his art and sell it for individuals. As well as my friend Ro, who's right next door, who owns the Conservatory. They've partnered with us on a lot of things like events, food for events. The other thing that we have is our company's called KIT Fitness Collective. So the entire concept is based on a bunch of individuals giving discounts to our members, as well as us giving discounts to them. Because we don't want to be, the jack of all trades. We want to be a king of one. So we have Vitality Chiropractic, who does all of our chiropractic stuff. We have Vitality Concierge, which does all of our medical needs. So it's a concierge doctor that you can call, pay an over the phone consultation visit, and then they can prescribe you any medication that you need, like antibiotics, as well as peptides, any kind of hormone replacement therapy, as well as we have other things like massage therapy and all that stuff that we're offering. So the community is extremely important to us, because what's the point of making it to the top of the mountain if you're up there by yourself, right? Coming here for your first visit is very welcoming, right? So you can either reach out to us. We're on ClassPass, Gym Pass, as well as we have our own app. Once you reach out to us, we like to give everybody one free session so that way they can see what they're getting into. If your friend brings you, then their friend will also earn a free session. So we essentially give away 2 free sessions for any individual that comes with their friend. Then after that, your first class is $15, and then we have packages that go from once a week, twice a week, unlimited, as well as individual packages in between. We're also one of the only gyms in Texas that takes insurance. We also take HSA and FSA, as well as you're able to do personal training with an unlimited package. So we will not charge you per session. We will just charge you a one package fee, and you can come as many times as you want, once a day, 5 days a week.